All right, guys, good morning, everybody. Let's do the recap for today. I had a really amazing day.
Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel.
We had one really nice trade on Amazon, closed $12,400. And that was a really nice trade that we actually walk you through what exactly we did. And yeah, overall it turned out to be a very solid trading day for me. One trade, and that was just the majority of my profit. But let's walk you through exactly what we did. So market is at all-time high on QQQ, which is amazingly interesting. And what we noticed that Amazon had a really interesting October, really bounced back, and now it was trading in the last couple of weeks into the range. And we knew that all 52 week is around 150. So as you see here, if I zoom in a little bit here, again, the importance of the daily chart, look at the big ask, by the way, here, it's going to pop up about 152. So in the last 2 days, the previous day closed and the yesterday, so it's Friday and then Thursday, it really hold around this area. It's at around 150.54, which when you come out and zoom out and you see this a 52-week high, it's again very important level. So it was really, and it was gapping up a little bit, so it was really ready for the break of 52-week high. And that's very common when you're in the range, you eventually want to break out from that range. So what I noticed and what I did trade at that was a 1 minute opening range breakup. Again, in the pre-market was gapping up. Brian had it on his watch list, and the high of pre-market was around 151. So as you see here, around 151. What I noticed and how I traded that was, again, you guys know one of the indicators that I use for trading at the open is the big asks. So again, the high of the pre-market is around here at 151. So you see the huge asks stacking up. Look at the time stamp, 9/31/23 on December 18. So that seeing these asks caused me to enter long heavy on that. Again, we did go back, you test the previous day close kind of, and then it bounced back, and I was really confident that now we're going to get to the break of 52-week high. So I went long. I added more for essentially a 1 minute opening range break up with a heavy size. Again, we had really good confirmation that this thing is going to break out. And again, look at the timestamps on the next 3 slides that I want to show you. 9/31/23 and 9/34/52. Boom, we already break out. So I started partialing very slowly, not very aggressively, because I knew this is going to go up. And again, look at the ask at level 2. The people who are using Bookmap or DAS, you can see that the asks are stacking up, the liquidity is going up, and the price is going toward the liquidity. So Andrew, aren't these big sellers sitting on the ask? Yes, they're big sellers, but they're asking higher and higher. It means that the price is going toward them. They're not desperate sellers. So again, in a few minutes you popped up toward 152, and then you continued going up to 153. Again, the asks are stacking up, so the price action is absolutely very bullish. Very nice pop, really nice consolidation, ABC, the pattern that you're seeing here. So you can actually continue going up toward the 153. So very solid trading in that front. So a lot of people say, Andrew, you have a big account and you're taking these big positions. I don't have that much buying power to do. How can I take advantage of this kind of move? So what you can do is, the power of the leverage in the options trading. So if instead of, for example, buying shares, you would have bought some call options on 150 for the expiry of December 22nd, which is the end of this week, December 22nd, 2023. So you go in the first strike price, first expiry, just right in the money. So from $2, if you would have bought somewhere around here, 238, so you would have had this really massive move toward $4, almost like 100% move profit on that. So it's possible to really use the power of leverage. Personally, I like to have my hotkeys and I have the buying power, and I really don't want to mess around with the options. But we have a lot of people who are really doubling, tripling their account with the options. Like Megan is one of them. She's having amazing success, and she's creating really nice videos on that. So the power of options, getting the 100% move, that kind of things is possible with the options, not with equities, definitely. But you have to understand the fundamentals of trading and the price action with option with trading shares, and then you slowly graduate to trading options, because this is a derivative of the price action of the stock. So that is it. I mean, another real example of the breakout was actually Meta. So if I want to show you the Meta 343 was the 52-week high. Again, very similar move up, coming here, pull back, and break off this 353. So when you look at these charts, look, maybe weekly chart would be a little bit better, or monthly chart. Not actually, weekly probably better. So as you see it here, all-time high is at around 400, but in the 52-week high, so you're having this massive run. So again, you are breaking out toward the 52-week high that you are having here. So market now seems like it's a little bit toppy. Amazon definitely is pulling back, but again, that's why you're partialing out, because you don't know exactly where the top is. Tesla was very similar as well. Jared traded Tesla really well. So you look at the daily chart, Tesla was also trying to get out of this breakout zone. It was breaking out, and today was a day that really wanted to break out and moved up toward the 265. So Jared traded that very, very nicely at the open. Brian, how was your trading day?
No, it was good. I jumped in a little. First off, I tried to. I looked at a firm, and it looked like it might be a rising devil, so I tried to trade it, but I basically stopped out of it flat, because it just didn't seem like it wanted to drop. And then I just got in Amazon and Nvidia. Nvidia was with calls, as you were talking about, so I bought the 492.50s for the end of the week, and I got in at around $8.80 on that one, and sold most of them at $10.50, and I'm just sold a little bit more because we just hit 500 on Nvidia while you were talking. So that's what I was saying. Basically, I think Nvidia is going to 500 today.
You did say that. You knew it. You did mention that Nvidia wants 500, and you said maybe today, and it did actually. Yeah.
Yeah. So there you go. Anyway, it was a pretty good morning.
Yeah, it was amazing.
So I've got, right now I've just got some Tesla calls, some 260 calls, and I think it's going to go to 260, if not today, probably tomorrow.
Yeah, very possible. Yeah, it seems that market is super strong. All right, yeah. So we'll see. Tesla. We were discussing this in the chat room, guys. That last December, Tesla was down almost 60-70%. So from December 1st, the price was around 180, and then it dropped all the way up to 100. So that's almost 60-70% drop. It's a nightmare. December for Tesla. And what a year, what a difference just 1 year can make. The stock that Tesla was collapsing, and everybody was saying that Tesla is a company that is worth only $80. Now just massive recovery, and then now it's trading at $260. So it's just the financial market. Financial market is amazing, because nobody knows exactly what's happening. And the people who have these systems and they think they figure out everything, and they call for this crash or cycles and pullbacks, and they're so certain about it, is just they haven't got the lesson from history. Thank you guys so much. So we have the full week. We are still full in force this week. Next week obviously is the holiday season. I'm gonna stay in town in Vancouver, but we have the full week moving forward this with all the webinars and everything. So looking forward to see many of you guys in the community. Ciao.